Hey everybody! Well, today is the day we start to put together the two types or classifications of triangles that we've been working on so far. First, we learned how to classify triangles based on their sides. If 0 sides are the same, then we have our scalene triangle. If at least 2 sides are the same, that's isosceles, and if all 3 are the same, well, that's called equilateral. Then, yesterday we learned how to classify our triangles by their angles. If we have one right angle, well, we call that a right triangle. If we have one obtuse angle, so one angle that's greater than 90 degrees, we call that an obtuse triangle. And if we have all 3 angles are acute, then that's an acute triangle. Well, today we're going to put it together. So we can have an isosceles triangle that's right, or maybe we have an isosceles triangle that's obtuse. You can put them together, and we're going to practice that using a household object, preferably straight, such as spaghetti. So I'm going to demonstrate some for you over here. I've got my spaghetti out right here, which I'll move off to the side. And then let's say I just want to start off by making an equilateral triangle. Well, I'm going to take my spaghetti, I'll break it into 3 equal pieces, the best that I can, and I'm going to arrange them to try to make a triangle. So it's a little on the wiggly side. There we go. Okay, I'll hold it in place here. Might need even some tape. Okay, so I have an equilateral triangle. All 3 of my sides are equal. So let's see, if it's equilateral, because all the sides are equal, well, now I'll draw a little tick mark here at the side to show that my sides are equal. Now I'm going to look at my angles. What might I call it if I have these 3 angles? Well, let's see. Can't be obtuse. I don't have any angles that are greater than 90 degrees. Can't be right. I don't have any square corners or 90-degree angles. In fact, all of my angles are acute. I'll label them all A for acute. So I know that I have an equilateral acute triangle. Perhaps I want to find a triangle by starting with its angles. How about an obtuse angle to start with? So I'm going to arrange my spaghetti so that it's in an angle that's greater than 90 degrees. Now I'm going to get a piece of spaghetti to try to make it fit for the 3rd side. All right, there we go. I'll break it off about right there. Hopefully I don't make too much of a mishap. All right. So now I have my obtuse angle, so I know it's going to be an obtuse triangle, but now I'm going to look at the sides. I see that this length is not the same as any of the other lengths. Just to double check, let's line them up. Okay, you can see none of them are the same length. So I know that I have an obtuse scalene triangle. There we go. All right, so I'll write it in there. Now, go on to Seesaw and see if you can solve a couple of the other examples using spaghetti or pencils or some other household items. Take a picture and label what you found to try to complete the activity. See ya!